Look at the mud. That water's clearer today. Is it not? I can see. I can see the bottom.
You sure?
Yes. Look, there's a white patch up there.
Oh, yeah. That,
Look, hooks all the bags that are laying on the bottom. What do you think of the plastic on the anchor?
it's a bit gross. A lot of plastic.
Very disappointing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just everywhere here. This is after a second reboot. I've got no touchscreen again. Buttons work, but I can't power anything.
Looks like a resort.
Survivor Island.
The wood could be slippery.
Watch those balls.
Whoa, very slippery.
That's super slippery. I can't believe you did that.
Slippery.
Did I just say
Jesus.
it going?
Holy crap, that is so slippery.
I tried. Oh, it kept yelling.
There's a crab on here.
Selamat Jalan.
Yes, we big kids window.
It's the jungle
I
swing.
don't know how I'm gonna get actually. I can't like sit. Any good photos? What if you zoom in a bit?
Come down closer.
You gotta go in.
You're not selling it at all.
You gotta lay in it and swim along in it.
No.
Yeah, that's it, you just float. Wow, it's slippery. Oh, yeah. Take your top off. I'm on the bottom.
You can't see.
You do, you just pop straight up.
You can't see.
You just pop straight up. It just, it's disgusting. Oh, it's a breaststroke. It's disgusting, but you gotta do it. It's meant to be.
Oh, can someone itch me head before they get their hands all muddy?
I don't see how this is good for your skin.
It's meant to be. Right, go on, lay on your back.
I ain't laying on my back.
Go and lay on your back, it feels freaky
I
out.
have.
I guarantee. Oh,
You cannot see.
oh, it's cooler over here.
You cannot see.
There you go, head first. Come on.
Here too.
First, come on.
That's a bit much.
There you go.
Oh, that's just gross.
So you're laying back and that's your floating level.
Yeah, that's just gross. I don't want to. How do you boys lay in it?
Just lay in it. It's freaky out.
Joe.
It's just
so
gross.
beautiful.
Look at that. It's just you lay back and.
Lovely.
That's just. Oh, that's just gross. That's just. Can we take that?
Hey, babe.
Like, just sit like you're sitting in the chair, Margaret. Just do that. You don't even
Go to the seating position and you'll just float. That's your float level.
You don't even sing. You don't sing.
It's bubbling up. You're in! Right, you're in!
Oh, you're just coming! You're in!
You're in! You're in!
That's so mean.
You're in now!
Oh, it stinks. It's disgusting.
Don't get it in our hairs.
Stop. That's gross. Oh, it stinks.
Oh, it doesn't! Oh, it just floats!
Stop!
Right, go, freestyle.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Get it going.
Oh, what the hell was that? Oh,
Swim.
it stinks.
Come
It
on.
wasn't so bad when I was further away from my nose was further. Oh,
Well, backstroke then. Do your backstroke.
no, that's it. I'm done.
No, you're not. Come around to the bubbles here, where it's coming out.
It's foul. Your face, don't you dare.
Look at him.
Pulls it down there.
He's feral.
I know.
How bad is it? Let's see.
Can you see?
Hey! 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 What's a mud fight for? Oh! Jeez! Oh! I'm out of here.
I just take the jump.
Now push off the wall. Here we go.
This is gross. You've got too much on you.
I've only got a little bandito left across my eyes. Get my face clean. Not like stupid over here. He's covered in it.
This is gross. Yeah,
I'm trying to put my thingy down.
not at all.
Oh, that's the fastest I've ever swam.
What am I doing? Which way?
Oh, that's right. Just me, just me going up and down, you know, like.
Oh, it's just lovely.
No.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, you idiot!
Oh my God, Thomas! Oh Jesus!
Shield your eyes! Oh, jeez! No, that's it. The camera's all over.
Tell you what, the bum gun ain't gonna be powerful enough to clean this shit up. Woohoo! That was good.
We're all exfoliated.
I don't know. I just feel gross. It's caked on now, and now we've got about a kilometre walk back. Jay, I felt so sorry for you. Oh, I know. There's always.
Like we're a local. It's horrible.
Alright.
Let's go for a snorkel. See if this really is the best coral.
Your strategy is to stay alive, but just
It's fucking dreadful, you know that? Absolutely dreadful. Well, I start the motor, let's go.
Oh, alright. Well, now we'll know if anyone dies, we'll say.
No, now you've just got his attention.
Before jumping in for a snorkel, we checked with the rangers, who sent up a drone over the coral garden to make sure that the resident crocodile wasn't planning a cameo. We were clearly near volcanic activity. Streams of gas bubbles continuously vented from the sea floor around us. After a quick dive to check the anchor in the crystal clear water, we headed ashore, eager to explore the secrets of this intriguing little island.
Oh, look, come here, mate. Come here, ugly. Who's this? Lovely paradise?
Still going.
Yep. G'day, I'm Chris. Chris, how you doing? Thank you.
And Maya.
Hello.
I haven't got my phone.
I just got it started.
That was big. Alright, where's my pliers? Give me that.
Right next to us.
Look at that.
You get into it?
All right, that's,
You
that's
both
a woman.
gonna do.
That's a woman.
It doesn't say which gender.
Doesn't say male.
Doesn't say female.